this professional certificate from the top private university of North India. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Amity Future Academy where the top university, private university of North India which deals in engineering and management is offering 35 plus courses. These all are top trending courses from engineering and management. In my previous video, I suggest these courses and also show how you enroll in these courses. A professional certificate you get after completing these courses, and now I am going to enroll in this course that is of scripting for hackers. And here is the course content, and also this duration is 1 month and totally free of cost, and also you get a certificate, a professional certificate free of cost for this course. But we complete this course in only 5 minutes. Now here firstly you have to log in your account, as I created my account yesterday. And after that, when you log in, you get your courses. Just tap on courses, or if you want to browse courses, then you have to only tap courses option is here. And after that, this is the second course, scripting for hackers. It is 12 lectures, and also 1000 plus students are already joined in this course. You need to tap on access. When you tap on access, there is an option of enroll me, and here in the beneath there is an option of access also. Just tap on enroll me. When you tap on enroll me, you get enrolled in this course, and all the course content are accessible. Here is the message. Some pop-ups comes, and after that you just ignore these messages that are not necessary, and we are going for the course contents about the Amity Future Academy. And here the student which makes this platform, also 70% of our students have undergone successful transition in their desired profession. So these courses are best for you. And here industry info, what industrial benefits you get after this certificate, means how much this professional certificate affects your CV or resume. These are the course contents and how to complete in only 5 minutes. Here you get your certificate free of cost. There is no cost mentioned here. Now we are going through the course contents. Just go above, and here is the module 1, Python scripting. Just tap on the boxes which are in the right of the topic names and modules. Just click on it. When you click it, means you completed that module, that topic. And when you complete all, then you are free for access your quiz. Here is the quiz. Just tap on it. For getting your certificate, there is necessary condition that you complete your quiz and feedback form. Quiz with more than 70% marks. And now I am going to start the quiz. Here is the question 1. Total 6 questions are there. Just tap on next page. After answering, here in Python a variable must be declared before it is assigned a value. False. We can assign in the same place also. And in a Python a variable may be assigned a value 1. Yeah, it is true. So we completed 3 of that. Now we are on the 4th question. What Python built-in function returns to a unique number assigned? BID. That is the second option. Just click on it and go to the next page. In a Python, which keywords used to start function? Used to start function, default or a function? I think diff function. I confused in this. And after that, this is the last question. Question number 6. Which are the multiple data types? Mutable data types. This is list. And after that, all answers are saved. Just submit all and finish. Just tap on it. And after that, I get 8.33% out of 10, 83%. Which answer is wrong? I am going for here 5th question. It is answer is default. When you attempting, you answer default for 5th. And also note these answers because sequence of the questions are the same, but the options may be rearranged. So I completed this and now I am going for feedback form. Here, after completing our quiz, I am going for feedback form. Here is the feedback form, just tap on it. And when you tap on it, it's going to be open, and after that we get our certificate. And here is the feedback form, answers the questions. Just tap on answer the questions. And when you tap on it, you get this interface and you have to choose any random option. There is not necessary any answer. I am just tapping on a random. And here you can rate these courses, you rate the feedbacks, you rate anything. If you want to do feedback, then you can. How much hours you spent to complete this course. You have to write any answer. I am writing 4 hours, and after that I'm going to submit it. That is not necessary to fill up all the boxes. Just submit your answers. When you tap on submit your answers, our feedback form is completed. Now we continue, and here is the course overview, and now I am going for my certificate, and here is the certificate. Now we are able to access. Just tap on view certificate, which is an option here, and this is my professional certificate, first ever professional certificate from University of India. Here this certificate is very nice. Now we are switch over to the next course, that is of ethical hacking. This is the most demanding course, and many of the students comments me for the answer of this course, so I put it, and here I am going to enroll for this course. Just tap on enroll me. After enrolling in this course, you are able to access all the course materials, and also this ethical hacking course is one of the best course on this platform of MIT Future Academy. Here is also some about the MIT Future Academy, industry info. As you know, ethical hacking one of the most trending and most demanding courses. And here I'm going to start. This is the phase 1. You doesn't tick on the boxes, you have to go through all the course materials, but there is a trick to complete this course in some minutes. Just go beneath and tap on the next and continue. Here I'm just doing the same thing. You have to do the same. Just go to the below and tap on the topic which is next upcoming, and here by doing this, total 17 or more than 17 chapters in this ethical hacking course, so it takes time. And this I'm reached at the topic 5, and after completing all this you get your quiz. Here I am doing, just we are reached at the quiz. This is the course quiz, and now I am going to attempt the quiz. Just tap on attempt quiz now. This quiz is going to be long because there are total 30 questions. One more thing, I repeating one more time that all the questions are in the same sequence, but the options may be shuffled, so you just take a screenshot or write the answers, and after that you attempt. This way is best for you. And now I am going to answer all the 30 questions, and in my point of view all the answers are fully correct. So we are proceeding these questions. You can note all the answers without any hesitating. I also show you my results, and here stay tuned till the last. Oh, sorry, this course have only 20 questions. This quiz have only 20 questions. Just tap on finish attempt. This was more good for us that this contains only 20 questions and now all questions are saved. Now just submit it. Submit and finish, and here we get all 100% and 20 out of 20 in only 4 minutes 34 seconds. And now these are the answers. You can match it. All the answers are fully correct. Your answer is correct. And after that, there are total 20 questions. And I think my all answers are correct. As you show also that I got 10 out of 10. That is 100% marks. And here all 20 questions are correct. Now we finish it and course quiz. After that there is a feedback form. We have to finish that feedback form. You have to fill up. Here I completed all the modules and also the quiz with 20 out of 20. And now going for the feedback form. It is mentioned here that is course certificates of $75. This is a professional certificate. If you want, then it's your choice.